This is of course a very historic occasion because as you know that by you allowing the lease of your land to the Ministry of Lands, who will then lease it, sublease it to AFL, will be allowing the expansion of Nausori Airport. Currently the runway at Nausori Airport is actually quite short and it's not very wide. So the 737 planes that actually take off from Nausori does not fly at full load. But by having access to this land, the runway now will be expanded to 2,100 meters, which will mean AFL will actually spend $60 million just to lengthen the runway and make it wider to be compliant with international standards. So we'll get more aircraft then landing at Nausori Airport with a lot more safety measures in place. There, of course, other members of other landowning units have also agreed to lease the land, and that's been currently facilitated. So by you doing so, you're actually helping us with the development of Fiji, you're contributing to the economic growth of Fiji, but it also means that it fulfills an objective of a vision of our Honourable Prime Minister. As you know, he wants development everywhere. We want everybody to share in that development. AFL, of course, will be spending $60 million, which is a lot of money, but with the view that we'll build it and we'll get more aircraft landing. But it also means for you in particular that the other lands that you may own around that area, the value of your land will go up too. When we have more aircraft landing in Nausori Airport, more people will be employed at the airport. There will be more economic activity. So when more people live around the airport, they'll want to live around the airport, so your land value will go up. Some of them will want to build houses, some of them will want to rent houses. There will be a lot more economic activity. So please don't just look at this as the only economic benefit. The other economic benefits from it too. Because the airport does well, everybody does well too. So one of the other issues, of course, is that the Nausori terminal will also be expanded, be modernized. I don't know how many have recently seen Nandi Airport. A lot of people said it looks like overseas now. So we want Nausori to look like that too.
This is overseas.
And as you know, it will also help with all the infrastructure work that's being carried on around there. So thank you very much. I'd like to, of course, thank AFL. AFL has been doing well. They're making lots of money, which is good, and we're asking them to put that money back into the country in building the infrastructure. And with this expansion, hopefully one day we'll get the A330s landing too in Nausori. So it's overall good news, and I'd like to thank you once again for your participation, and welcome you to the family of development, and you directly contributing to that. Naka, thank you.
Walang katumeno no dabono na sinasaot. Erong ata chumdanga na budget na sulito na Vunilolo Roscoe Stel do Vunilolo vera na nakatamera bora se ko nakatanon ravi chigu no mani tawn lilu. Ana kana sangay ko me kono ba so Tailevu modernize. Merbango na kiniray. Yana kina nakichu kumeda kana tu rara no ko me Nausori me baya bila ketel juga on sandurong itu juga kita me baya lutak kona sasanga cuma ya ni AFL betul matan tu betul tu na lens na sasanga cuma me baya lutak na rara no ko muka. Meron ni lebukin na kelni on bukan na 737 no ko kelli juga I seen full loop juga balitan na rambali lai batan lagalakan ni masabi na kasi me rambali bolai bang balabutaki nabiga on sa ulan billo ni na mga tagina kana na runway watakin terminal nabiga YouTube on the tools na ulan billo nasa sangat juga ni tatun juga na cheni refer tu na sangat ngamai ni lawa tu may takatakin atang may kona rakan nung kapo may rutuma kaya may sata ko dyan may naji na may nakachina man to may rere to kabaya may ito na bitan no rongo na sarang na unasin kay tiyo bitan no tiyo may sangay na no to kaya may mga limutay kinakaroon mo ko kung na manasa na ulitin nga irakan mo. Usama ka naman na dyan. Kaya, aray tumutulong matentu sa ako pinapakali ng wikam doon, Mataqali Vunilolo. Ay nanumdo wata may nasasangay matentu. Ay na sangay dyan, meron kami nakatagin ng natuturan ng gawa ko, may mga limutaki. Lew na manggabu ko lang may lew na passenger. Kasi nagay dalawa lang tulad siya ka nabibiyaban na yung bakin na kanalak. Nagay wana bagay handa tulad si Tailevu Nausori sa siyang nagay taon. Gusto na siya ka naman dito na baka nabibiyaban doon to natutumitan mo siya kumain na doon ang unang palabo. Yan na kanasangay juga may rawat sila kasama may rawang bawin dito. Sa mo na sa kalachuk, sa mo na numdo sende. Asto kita nabi to kinigel sa tutum na numdo to. Ko kanutungan na land use, land bank. Yeah. Ko na kana lalaki na sendelela mundo turen dalawa tawan nungkutang. Natutubata. Hallelujah. Thank you.
Kita ke mau na kuna na Mataqali of Vunilolo may naselay nagugawin nila lilike na lili ni matintu
Naka
pata na turang na Tony General pata talangan na chairman pata na minister ngel na matintu bichi donundol circa ton kecil betul September autor kina na gazette sa gazete kina nito designated land kwa via chineka enangona ya kapag ni rimay ukilati ko yaw endoni waskay Vunilolo sa warinchimo era sa alien atawara ka tumay awakata gi Moses enangona tuna kalumba redi kenaninga sana warini afkina
rondo
ya gitu sa chingo na ngai to kotaning ngai kenan eso sa may ringa sa wari
Naka
awari sotaba na vi kaliu sa mingo runundul was runando bicho ko tulundul endori la wa kamerse na sa waliu na non ra po soto tiko na lini Mataqali komedong may na singa na makingo singa de ke kito ni sa may sulingo na cheque membaleto na ilaw membaleto na angeli ori libu chinga na ek ya sapa binagati ko ni na libu tale na ka en lele na runon raw bicho ko tulundol may na vi kato ko ko en ngai mai en singa memory en can develop taki na vi Voreqe na boleh ka di Nausori Airport
na
au babinaki sa kinabole na kun sa kana na Mataqali na singindai kena korona selai eno namuni kito chiko ka bandi kito chiko me no me no Mataqali ko
Naka
I'm so thankful on behalf of the Mataqali for the government to have done what is a fruition now. We didn't expect this money. We are so thankful for the blessing of the government to us this morning. Once again, the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Attorney General, the Honorable Minister of Lands, and the Chairman of Airports Fiji Limited, and all delegates and government employees who are here today to be here to receive this blessing from which we didn't expect to come to us. We are the most paid Mataqali of the village of Nausori. So once again, thank you all. Thank you for the coming of Fiji.
Naka.